Average guy tested. All right, guys, I'm really excited today because I went to my mailbox and I got a nice little package in the mail. Now, about a couple of weeks ago, I was contacted by this really nice person. Her name is Angela. And she said, hey, I've been looking at your videos and I represent a product, a shaving product, and I'd be interested to get your take on it. So she said, I'm going to send you our electric razor. So Angela is from a company, or Ann is for a company called PHISCO. Take a look at that. And they are an Amazon selected product or an Amazon featured product. And they sell this product here. It's a electric, like a rotary electric shaver, PHISCO. So I figured, first of all, I want to thank Ann and the folks from PHISCO for sending me this electric razor. I have some information that I printed off. And I figured I'd do a quick unboxing, and I'm gonna charge this up, and my next video I'll get rid of the Kenny Rogers goatee, right? Because I'm not one for a lot of facial hair, so I get rid of the Kenny Rogers goatee using the PHISCO razor. All right, so let's unbox this. Now, first off, let me talk product features. So I'm doing a little research here, which I don't tend to like, but I got some quick bullet points. So it's a quick charge, long-lasting lithium battery. All right, 1 hour charge, up to 120 minutes of shaving time, about 30 shavings. 2 minutes for a quick charge for a single shave. Now it's strong power and muted high-speed motor. So it's got a high-speed motor up to 2800 RPM. See, they knew I was a car guy. Provides a quick, clean shave with very low noise. They even say you can take a short nap while you're doing this. All right, it has precision shaving heads with double track, ultra thin, spherical cutter, net, and self-sharpening steel blade. This 3D rotary shaver has double wider coverage than a single track, delivers a more smooth, close, and sharp shave, suitable for men of all ages who need shaving. Even old dudes like me. All right, so it has LED indicators and a pop-up trimmer. And it's waterproof. Use wet or dry, so you can take it into the shower and use it. Suggested retail price today on Amazon is $39.78. And I'm going to leave a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. Now, I will be doing a review of it, and I'll give you my own opinions, but I just wanted to give you some of the facts. There's also comparative razors that Amazon will suggest, so it's priced right in that range with other electric rotary razors on the value spectrum. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. Beautiful black with red. They're showing you the CAD cam, so the inside on one side and the outside, like a sketch there. Plain otherwise, but it feels solid. Let's open it up. Let's unbox this bad boy. They make sure it's in there. All right. So it's got a nice black box with the graphic. It says the RMS8112 PHISCO, made in China. There you go. It's a PHISCO product. Feels substantial. I guess you're pushing it out this way. All right, nice. So in here you have your standard, user notifications and, warning notices in multiple languages. All right. Let's see, inside we have a USB charger or USB cable for charging. On the other side here, you have a little brush for cleaning whiskers out. See? Little brush. I think that's it. Here is the unit itself. Oh, and under here, under the unit, you have the warranty card. And some information. A little carrying case with the PHISCO carrying case, or a carrying bag, if you will. And you have your user manual. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the unit itself. Very nice feel to it right out of the wrapper. Solid. Black, like a lacquer, and chrome. Although it's got a very plastic feel, it does feel nice and sturdy. So take a look at that. Nice PHISCO logo there, black lacquer, as I said. If you take the cap off, there are your rotary blades, pivoting rotary blades. And very quiet. Now what's cool about this with the USB charger, if it does a quick 2-minute charge, you could actually, you know, charge it in your car maybe. Keep it in the car. And back here you have pop-up trimmer. See that? Should I charge this right now for 2 quick minutes and do an unboxing and a shaving review? Wet or dry, they say. I say we do it. I say we do it. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna plug this bad boy in. This is a first, guys. I'm actually going to do a review of this product in my vehicle of choice. Let's plug this bad boy in. And you see here, when I plug it in, it says it's 100%, guys. It says it's 100%. So I don't even have to wait. But it's cool. You plug that right in. It comes charged out of the box. Let's give this a whirl. All right. Let's take this out. And let's see what happens. Never done this before. Now this was long stubble, guys, and it's a little grabby as you would expect, but nice and smooth so far. No cream. Now I haven't read any of the directions. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. With any shaving device, with any tool, you really have to know how to use it. Am I supposed to be use it in circular motions? I think that's it from my past experiences with a electric shaver. But it's very smooth. Very smooth. I'm just gonna go with the Billy D. Williams, guys, because I wanna put this through its proper paces. I don't think it's fair to do this in this setting, but as you can see, it's taking care of that rough stubble that I had. This is the toughest, most coarse stubble I have going. And it is whisper quiet compared to I've never had great luck with electric razors, I'll be honest with you. They don't really work well with my skin. This so far is not bad. You know, there's no rash right away, no burn. It's been very smooth. Let's check out the trimmer. Pops right up, you see that trimmer? Let's see if how the trimmer works. Nice. The Billy D. Williams look. I'm going with the Billy D. Williams look. All right. Hey, first blush, $38, $39. Solid feel to it. Nice whisper quiet. Right now, I'm feeling no pain. Smooth. I'd give it a thumbs up. Now, I will put this PHISCO shaver, razor, through its normal paces. I'll shave this off. I'll grow a nice couple of day, 3-4 day stubble, and I will try it wet. I'll try it dry. I'll give it a long-term test because I really appreciate the folks at PHISCO reaching out and sending this to me. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check it out and await my full review. A little bit of a razor burn here, but again, average guy tested, average guy approved. Thanks again, Ann and the team at PHISCO for sending this to me, and I want to thank you for watching, guys, because you are why I'd make these videos. Let me know what you think. If there's anything you want me to review, or if you have a product you'd like to send me, or food, you want to send me food, I'll see you soon with a more comprehensive review of the PHISCO rotary electric razor. But in the meantime, remember, please remember, keep pushing, play, and I'll see you guys next time. And let me know what you think. Do you like the Billy D. Williams look? Because if you like it, maybe I'll just keep it and I'll shave around it. I'll see you guys next time. Average guy tested.